Seafood provides essential nutrition to 38% of the world's population. That's 3 billion people. Annually, we harvest 179 million tons of wild and farmed seafood, which creates jobs for 60 million people. How can we as consumers make informed choices about the seafood we eat? The harvesting of wild seafood happens at a massive scale. According to the Marine Conservation Institute, the commercial fishing practices known as trawling and dredging, the use of nets and metal cages that scrape the seafloor, destroy seabeds, reefs, and capture unintended marine life known as bycatch. These practices deplete wild populations and disrupt ecosystems. Tuna is one of the most consumed fish in the world. Large apex predators like tuna and salmon are energy intensive to farm, and it is ironic that we catch wild fish such as anchovies and mackerel to feed these farmed fish. Aquaculture, the farming of fish and other seafood, has the potential to greatly reduce the pressure we are placing on wild seafood. When good practices are followed, many types of seafood can be farmed in a way that minimizes environmental impacts. According to the World Wildlife Fund, destruction of mangrove forests to make space for shrimp aquaculture farms is damaging ecosystems and eliminating a significant source of CO2 sequestration. Poor marine aquaculture practices can result in breeding between wild and farmed fish, the introduction of non-native species into an ecosystem, and contamination of the surrounding areas with antibiotics, herbicides, and nitrogen and phosphorus from fish sewage. On-land tank systems require energy and produce waste byproducts. Overcrowding, which is common, can cause stress to fish. The common tilapia, one of the easiest fish to grow in tanks, is growing in popularity with consumers. So, what is the most sustainable way to harvest fish? Each situation is unique. In order to preserve and grow seafood as a significant food source, we need to sustainably farm and catch wild fish in a way that doesn't put ecosystems in danger. As a consumer, you can make sustainable choices by being informed and prepared. Seafoodwatch.org has a phone app that can help you to identify best choices, good alternatives, and the types of seafood to avoid.